I'm here in San Marcos today for something super exciting. It's the grand opening of our new small store format. It's the first one of its kind in the US, so come take a look.
3, 2, 1!
It's been really exciting getting to open the first small store in the US. So lots of design challenges, including not having a grid, which has been crazy to overcome because you don't realize what you have in the grid until you don't have one. We've been launching the flexible coworker, now called the store coworker, in Live Oak. So we actually shared one of our flex coworkers here. I think there's always more to be done, so it's a really exciting experience.
This has been super exciting because in San Marcos, this has all been developed in the U.S. We planned with the U.S. team, and a lot of development has taken place every single day in preparation for the build-up. Bringing this new format to the U.S. In new markets, this small format allows us to get into new markets that we haven't been able to do before.